Have a great moment, everyone. Welcome to the Instructor's Compass. This is the philosophy of biology, and our topic now is philosophy of biology. Why? Well, once again, Instructor's Compass are given because we want you to know what is being tackled in a specific set of learning. So this moment, we will be tackling about philosophy of biology. Philosophy of biology came from two words that actually has two words in its usage: philosophy and biology. Philosophy came from two Greek words which are philos, which means love, and sophia, which is wisdom. So there's that love for wisdom, the love to reason, the love for logic, the love for philosophy. Whereas on the other hand, biology is the study of life. So this can be everything: the momentum, the science, the age, the description, the morphology, everything about a living organism. So if you combine this one, this is actually the love of knowledge to know more about life. The love of knowledge to dig deeper into the tendencies of life. So this is basically the etymological background why philosophy of biology as a subject is offered to biology majors, because we don't want biology majors to only be tangibly involved with the subject. What we're trying to say is you only know biology by its tangible means, the experimentation, the studies, the theories. But beyond anything, we want biologists to use this mind, to use logic, to use reason. Because there are many things in biology that we cannot witness now, yet it existed in the past. And we have to use our heads to qualify and quantify what is right and what is wrong. And that is where biology as a science become very important in the field of another science, which is biology. So expect in philosophy and biology that we will not be tackling really real studies, experiments, or shall we say proof of lives. Here we will be studying about things that many people wanted to neglect in biology because not because it is not interesting, but sometimes it has difficulty of being addressed, difficulty of being discussed, and difficulty of being understood. So, we have topics here to tackle. Number one here is natural selection. Well, we all know that natural selection is very much synonymous with Charles Darwin's Origin of the Species. Well, in the Christian world, this is not very much accepted because we go back to the doctrine that there is an Alpha and Omega, a God who created everything, not just by natural selection, but by extreme divine organization called creation. So we will dig deeper why biologists entertained the doctrine of natural selection. And here we will try to understand if it is really worth believing in natural selection. Another topic here is evolution theory. Well, evolution is already a very old topic, yet the continuity, the ingenuity, and shall we say the organization of this theory is still in question until now. So we will try to take a glance again at the theory of evolution, and from then on we will try to personally and logically decide if this theory is really worth a professional acceptance. Well, on the other hand of the coin, we believe that creation is more believable because of the fact that it is too organized to be called an evolutionary occurrence. We will dig deeper into these topics as we progress with the subject philosophy of biology. Then you have your subjects like molecular biology. We will study matter, the truth behind how human beings were formed. Biological teleology is another topic. Biological taxonomy concludes the topic that we will be tackling in philosophy of biology. Now, with regards to taxonomy, this is one topic again which is very peculiar because science will tell us how things were named, how things got to be called that way, how things get their, what do you call this? They get their identity. But in simple biblical language, we all know, dear friends, dear learners, that God created all of these living organisms, everything that has life. And there was a day in the Garden of Eden that God named all the animals and all the plants present in that place. Question is, how long did God how long did it take God to finish this one? And can God really do this? The answer is, the divinity of God cannot be compared with human speed. God is omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent, meaning God is everywhere. He can be several other persons doing the thing in just one moment. And the greatest miracle is it can even happen at the point of just uttering, just like trying to say, let there be light. And there was light. There is no need for the particles to gather and then form bigger particles, magnets and everything. And then lo and behold, there was light. There is no such thing as that because when God said, let there be light, light came out. So dear biology fanatics, biology enthusiasts, this subject philosophy of biology will not really be taken because we want to prove everything here as correct. We are taking up this subject because we will use the power of reason. It is very seldom that in a formal science like biology, reason is considered. Because most of the time in experimentation, it's always the result of the experiment, the proof, the evidences that counts. But in this subject philosophy of biology, wisdom of life, well, we will be enjoying the times we're in. We need to use more of the mind than of the laboratory, improving our points, improving our logic, improving about the correctness of a philosophy that we will be tackling. I hope and I pray that as we progress through this subject, you will learn to understand that not all things in life can be proven in the laboratory. You will begin to understand that in our unaided human mind, human gray matters, we cannot fathom the greatness of the Creator that gave life to humankind and authored the study of life, which is biology. Have a great moment, everyone. Continue learning, and as we will continue, we will have more discussions, more philosophical argumentations, more logical, head-on, what do you call this? Head-on debates. And we will have more discourses because in this subject, we can always agree to disagree. Again, have a great moment, future biologists, future medical doctors, future ecologists, future environmentalists. I hope and pray that this humble soul, Mentor Noy Gonzaga of the Academia Gonzaga Learning System, will be able to help you in some way appreciate biology through the eyes of philosophy. Have a great day, learners.